Hello Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Tignan natin ang mga mensahe ni Taurus. O na mensahe po ninyo, Peridot. Ayan, good fortune is the result of good thoughts and actions. I am grateful for my blessings. Good luck, no? Taurus, ang dami-dami siguro swerteng paparating sa inyo. Maraming blessings paparating sa inyo. And it's also because, inalign ninyo ang inyong energies, your thoughts and actions with this good fortune energy. Kaya ang daming swerteng nahatak ninyo, no? Ang daming blessings. Yung reminder din sa inyo rito, release feelings of impatience, jealousy, and frustration. Kasi that could sabotage you, no? That could sabotage the good fortune and all the good things and all the blessings na sana'y paparating sa inyo. Kasi negative energy ito, hindi ba? Kaya kung meron kayong mga jealousy dyan, frustrations, release na ninyo yan kasi hindi naman yan magdadala ng blessing sa inyo, hindi yan magdadala ng good fortune sa inyo. Bagkus, mag-a-attract pa yan ng mas marami pang negativity, no, sa buhay ninyo. Kaya, as much as possible, i-release nyo na yan, and be more patient, okay? Be more patient. Always remember na hindi lahat ng bagay na gusto nating mangyari sa buhay natin ay mangyayari, 'di ba? In our timing, kasi everything happens in divine order and timing, hindi ba? So improve ability to integrate and process life, 'di ba? Everything is a process, walang instant na pangyayari. Kung sa kape, oo, merong instant coffee, paglagay sa tubig talagang tunawagan. Pero ang buhay, no, it's a process. Walang instant, 'di ba, na bagay. Walang sa isang iglap lang mangyayari na ang gusto natin. Walang ganon. Lahat pinagpapaguran, lahat pinagtatrabahuan. Sabi rin dito, connect to your inner strength and unlimited potential. Ayan. Kasi kapag papaandarin ninyo, bubuhayin ninyo ang inyong inner strength, walang imposible, no? Lahat pwede ninyong gawin, lahat pwede ninyong ma-realize, no, sa buhay ninyo. What else? We have Tiger Iron. Ayan, I am grateful for other people's good fortune. Siguro kaya binibless kayo or kaya kayo ibibless, no, Taurus? Kasi marunong din kayong matuwa, no, doon sa swerte ng ibang tao. You appreciate, no, and happy for other people kapag meron din sila mga biyayang nakakamit. It brings me joy to see others experiencing happiness. See, there is a purity of your heart dito na nilalabas ninyo sa ngayon, Masaya kayo para sa iba, masaya kayo kung nabibless sila, masaya kayo kung may accomplishment sila. Good for you, no? Pinapakita mo lang dito kung gaano din ka-pure ang puso ninyo and the love, no? Also na nararamdaman ninyo for other people. Feel safe and protected. Okay? Wala kayong dapat na ipag-alala, wala kayong dapat na ikatakot. Taurus, always remember that you are safe and protected. Always remember that you are blessed, no? At lagi kayong ginagabayan, ginagwardyahan, at lagi kayong um, ginagabayan at pinoprotektahan ng universe and the rest of your spirit team, your angels and your spirit guides and your ancestors. Improve self-esteem and confidence. Okay? Dissipate jealousy. Tanggalin nyo na yan. No? Walang mangyayari dyan. Extend blessings and goodwill to others and increase philanthropic actions. Ayan. So, most likely talaga, yung good fortune nyo na to, yung blessings na paparating sa inyo, hindi nyo lang yan sasarilinin, no? You are also going to share that with other people. Generous, napaka pure ng inyong puso. So, it's time for giving and loving talaga. It's Christmas season, so good for you, no, Taurus. Tingnan natin kung ano pa ang ganap. We have Black Obsidian. Ayan, this is one of the most powerful, protective stone, I pay attention to what's going on around me and within me. I am attentive. Ayan, you're being empathic. Dito, napipick up ninyo yung energy ng paligid ninyo, ng kausap ninyo, yung ganon. So, you're very, malakas ang inyong radar sa ngayon. Release negative thoughts. Yan ang reminder para sa inyo. Kasi nga naman, very powerful ang thoughts natin. Let's always remember that. Na kung anong iniisip natin, yan ang naa-attract natin towards our 3D reality. Yan ang mangyayari. No? Kaya, syempre, ayaw natin na magkaroon ng negative situation sa buhay natin. Kaya let's choose to be positive, think positive. Maintain attention in the present moment. Yan, huwag tayong ma-distract na bumalik tayo sa pag-iisip, sa pag-focus sa kung anong tapos na, sa kung anong nakaraan na, or mag-focus kayo more on the future kasi impractical din yun. We don't know exactly what is happening, what's coming towards us, diba? Sa future. Kaya dito tayo sa present moment mag-focus. Dito nandito yung power, 'di ba? Sa present time kasi dito may magagawa tayo. Increase situational awareness and improve responsible thoughts and actions. Ayan. So what else for Taurus? We have clear quartz. Ayan, ito yung magnifier ng lahat ng crystals. Kapag tinabi mo or sinama mo yung clear quartz, ito clear quartz ito. Kapag tinabi mo ito sa ibang crystals, tulad nito, this is a protective stone. Nakalimutan ko ang pangalan nito. Smoky quartz. Ayan. This is a smoky quartz and this is a protective stone. Kapag tinabi mo siya with the clear quartz, na ma-magnify ng clear quartz yung protective energy nito. So mas makapangyarihan siya kapag katabi niya si clear quartz. So I am a clear channel of love, light and well-being. All of my heart's desires are realized now. Ayan. So napakaganda kasi ka ngayon, punong-puno ka ng pag-ibig sa ngayon because you are channeling that from the universe, maliwalas, maliwanag, masaya, vibrant ka, yung ganon, Kaya ka ngayon, kung ano man yung mga heart's desires ninyo, malakas ang power mo to manifest that, yung ganon. So, napakaswerte. Multiply goodness and well-being. Ayan. So, talagang napakaganda, lalo-lalo na meron kayong good fortune energy. So, ito lahat ng kagandahan nito, yung love ninyo for other people, yung compassion ninyo for other people, all of that, all of those good things and goodness, sa buhay ninyo sa ngayon are going to magnify. Mas marami pang swerte, mas marami pang love, mas marami pang generosity, ang maa-attract ninyo at yung din ang ibibigay ninyo sa maraming tao. You're going to amplify loving kindness, So, your clarity, peace, and understanding also will increase and clarity of mind and emotions. Talagang maganda. Magiging malinaw ang lahat. Magiging maganda yung pakiramdam ninyo. You will be back to your physical strength and vitality. So all the goodness talaga, kung ano ang maganda, kung ano ang mabuti sa buhay ninyo sa ngayon, expect that is going to multiply, expect that that's going to magnify. So good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.